In a generation where yoga, meditation, and mindfulness are becoming much more widespread, it comes as no surprise that spirituality is also becoming a major focus. In fact, worldly spiritual traditions like chakra alignment are encouraging people worldwide to focus on concepts like wisdom, serenity, and enlightenment. So, will listening to binaural beats help open my chakras? Binaural beats are a remarkable tool for achieving enlightenment, increasing positivity, and reducing stress. Remarkably, these are also some of the major goals when it comes to opening and aligning your chakras. With that said, binaural beats can certainly help you to open your chakras. You've probably heard of chakras before, but how much do you really know? In this first section, we'll go over the 7 chakras and the concepts behind each. Chakras are a major concept in ancient meditation methods that originated as a part of Buddhism. In short, chakras are specific locations of the body that are associated with a variety of skills, traits, and ideas. In all, there are 7 chakras within the body, each one having its own role in spirituality and your existence on earth. By opening or aligning your 7 chakras, you're leading yourself to a place of enlightenment, wisdom, and peace. What are the 7 chakras? The locations of the chakras are spread along the vertical axis of your body from the top of your head to your lower torso. Each chakra is connected to a different trait or quality, with the alignment of your chakras leading to a state of perceived balance. Here are overviews of the 7 chakras, where they're located on the body, what they're associated with, and what color describes them. Sahasrara, the crown chakra, located at the top of the head, associated with knowledge and spirituality, described by the color purple. Ajna, the brow or third eye chakra, located between the 2 eyebrows, associated with intuition and meditation, described by the color blue. Vishada, the throat chakra, located in the neck, associated with communication and creativity, described by the color turquoise. Anahata, the heart chakra, located in the chest, associated with emotions and acceptance, described by the color green. Manipura, the solar plexus chakra, located below the chest, associated with strength and determination, described by the color yellow. Svadhisthana, the sacral chakra, located near the belly button, associated with pleasure and sexuality, described by the color orange. Muladhara, the root chakra, located at the tailbone, associated with safety and stability, described by the color red. As you can see, the ideal state of balance within your life would be a mixture of all 7 chakras. When you align your chakras, you're encouraging yourself to lead a more balanced and spiritual life. Opening your chakras. When you're having an issue with one of your chakras and it becomes blocked, you're more likely to experience mental and physical side effects related to the chakra's intentions and physical location on your body. With chakra blockages, there are certain things you can do in order to address the issue and open the associated chakra. Here are some ways to unblock each of your chakras. Frown, focus on positivity and where you plan to go in life. Brow, try your best to visualize your goals and reach a state of meditation. Throat, work on communicating with others and expressing yourself. Heart, focus your attention on others and give back to the world. Solar plexus, assess and express your most passionate emotions. Sacral, broaden your horizons and participate in new activities. Root, become one with nature and enjoy what the world has to offer. By looking at each chakra and how you can open them, opening all 7 chakras and balancing your life doesn't seem to be as difficult of a task as it did before. Combining binaural beats and chakras. Opening or aligning your chakras is a spiritual endeavor that requires plenty of time, effort, and focus in order to achieve your end goal. If you're dedicated to opening your chakras, binaural beats can be an incredibly useful tool for you. However, you cannot depend on binaural beats alone to help you to open or align your chakras. There are many other techniques that you need to be taking advantage of in order to finally achieve the internal balance of aligning your chakras. Using binaural beats to open chakras. How you use the binaural beats will directly affect the opening of your chakras. But you need to understand how brainwaves work and how to strategically use binaural beats to target certain health benefits. The brainwaves that are currently active in your brain are associated with certain tasks and functions of your body and mind. When other types of brainwaves become more active, the tasks and functions performed by the body change accordingly. When you listen to sound waves at specific frequencies, you can encourage the activation of certain brainwaves. To make it even easier, they're both measured in the same way. That means listening to beta frequencies can encourage the triggering of beta brainwaves. So, how can you use binaural beats to open your chakras? Here are a few ways. Delta frequencies 1 to 4 Hz. By listening to delta frequencies, you're encouraging deep relaxation and restful sleep. This can help to unblock your brow chakra by allowing you to enter into a stage of deep meditation that can be accompanied by visualizations. Theta frequencies 4 to 8 Hz. With theta frequencies, you can actually target the sacral and brow chakras. This can be achieved by the increased relaxation and creativity associated with theta frequencies. Alpha frequencies 8 to 13 Hz. Alpha frequencies are most recognized for their ability to increase positivity and reduce levels of stress. These effects can help you to unblock your crown and solar plexus chakras. Beta frequencies 14 to 30 Hz. With beta frequencies, you're likely to cause positive effects like increased ability to focus, learn, and memorize new ideas. These effects can be extremely influential in the opening of the crown and heart chakras. As you can see, there are plenty of ways that you can open chakras. This list barely scratches the surface, and there are many of ways to open or align your chakras by listening to binaural beats. By listening to binaural beats at any frequency, you may be indirectly targeting one or more of your chakras at once. Fully experiencing all 7 chakras being opened at once can take a lifetime to achieve, but it's possible to focus on one at a time to help improve the overall quality of your life. Here are some tips to help you open your chakras and achieve a state of balance in your life. Listen to binaural beats that target the chakras you're looking to open. Many ways to unblock your chakras are easily achieved by listening to certain sound frequencies. Look for other ways to improve your life socially, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and physically. Any method you use can help target at least one of your chakras. Sources and reference links are in the description below. If you stuck around to the end, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Check out our blog brainhackerexpert.com. And thank you for watching.